Subject name is Business Environmental Communication. In that, we will going to see topics are internal to enterprises, types of environmental, and then brand values, management structures. We will going to see these are the types and company images. Now we will going to see uh, internal to enterprises. The internal business environment combines of factors which in the company which impacts the success and approaches of optimizing. Unlike the external environmental, the company has a control over these factors. It is important to reconsideration potential opportunities and things outside of the company operations. These are the internal to enterprises. Now we will going to see types of environmental. There are three main types in environmental. In that business environmental, we have four types. In that internal environmental and external environmental. In external environmental, there are two major parts. One is micro environmental, next is macro environment. Other than that, we will see the three types of business environmental are the market environmental and micro environmental and macro environmental. Now we will going to see the marketing environment refers to all the internal and external factors which directly or indirectly influence the organization decisions related to the marketing activities. The internal factors are within the control of organizations, whereas external factors do not fall in the controls. Next, we will going to see micro environment. Microenvironmental, the factors or elements in a firm's intermediate environmental which affects its performance and decision making. These elements including the firm's suppliers, competitors, marketing intermediary and customers and publics. Now we will going to see macro environmentals. It refers to all those external environmental factors that intimately influence the business success, strategies and decision making. These are the factors that highly influence the business success, are not controlled by the organization easily. Next we will going to see company images and brand values. First we will going to see company images. Company images is nothing but it's a branded and logo for the individual companies for their performance. The customer will be rating the values. It's known as company images. The corporate images or branded images is the set of beneficiary attitudes and the public have about a company or brand. That is to say, it is a way in which that public enterprises the set of signals coming from the production service and communicative empathized by the branders. Next we will going to see branded values. A branded value is mainly the sum total of how much extra people will pay or how to often they chooses the enterprise's memories and storage and relationship of a one branded overs to the alternative. This definition may be useful to investors or others who have not put in a goodwill terms on the balance sheets. Now we will going to see management structures and physical assets. First we will going to see physical assets. Assets means nothing but it's a values or a tangibles and intangible back documents of the individual persons. In physical assets or tangible assets and can be seen and touched within a very identification physical presentations. Example of some physical assets including a land, building, machines, plants, tools, equipments, vehicles, gold, silver or any other forms of tangible economic resources. This we will be can see, we will be can touch, we will be can use, we will be can enjoy. These are the physical assets. Now we will going to see management structures. Management success is nothing but determines how to role, power, responsibility or assuming control and coordinations and how information flows among the different level of management. A management success describes how a company organizes its management. In almost all organizations are executives. These are the physicals and management structures. In that throughout we will be see there are three main headings. First one is international to enterprises. Next one is type of environmental. In that type of environmental we have a three main types. One is market environmental, second one is micro environmental, and third one is macro environmental. Micro and macro environmental comes under the external environments. Now we will go next we will see company environmentals, branded values, management structures and physical assets. These are the summarizing topics of this PPT. Thank you.